Okay, exercise number 2 is nasal breathing. This is quite a hard one for a lot of people. A lot of people describe it as feeling like they're going to drown, okay? But what we're going to do is bring in a bit of the stuff from yesterday with the relaxation as well. So what you'll often find is if you're trying to breathe just through your nose, you get to a stage where you're going to begin to gasp and you just want to breathe in. And what you'll find is that gasping creates a lot of tension, particularly around the face. And so part of the process of not kind of going straight back into mouth breathing and forgetting your nasal breathing is actually to just, when you feel that tension, try and release it as a sort of a release of tension into relaxation, and that should make you feel better and more relaxed. Initially this is hard, most people can't do it, but just see what you can do, maybe do it over a certain distance, see how it feels, and then your job is to try and sort of recreate the feeling of relaxation, of easy breathing through the nose. That might mean going quite a bit slower initially, until you can then do it at your normal running pace, at which point you're going to be, running faster and feeling easier. So I'm going to have to talk a little bit, but I'll try and nose breathe a bit. Key point here is tongue on the roof of the mouth, jaw relaxed, trying to feel the nasal airway opening, using the smells in the air. If you can sniff those smells in, that's going to really help. But just trying to feel the whole airway opening. So again, focusing on relaxation in the face, trying to just keep relaxed, tongue on the roof of the mouth, and just running at a pace where I can focus on that rather than feeling I'm getting tired. Okay, so recap there. Basically, this is kind of a hard one for me to talk about whilst I'm doing, obviously, because I'm trying to breathe from my nose, not my mouth. But basically, it's just that ability to find that spot where you can change stuff up, focus on that breathing through the nose, but whilst challenging yourself with some running at the same time. So that spot where you can change it but have a challenge to sort of be working with is really useful. The home exercises, we can just focus on the breathing through the nose. Now we need to bring it into running and try and sort of face that challenge.